What's up, SellerAmp Nation? In this video, I'm going to show you and analyze 5 winning Amazon all-in arbitrage products so you can grow your Amazon business in 2024 and have the best year yet for your Amazon business or side hustle. Let's get right into it.
Theme you guys are going to see throughout this video is the use of coupons and additional discounts that are made available on different websites. That's the key to making products profitable with all-in arbitrage. A huge mistake beginners make is expecting items to be profitable at the advertised price. And there's a couple problems with that. Is if everyone can find it at a certain price, a lot of people are going to find it. So it's very easy to see, which is going to lead to a lot of competition and price tanking on different items. And these websites have different discounts that exist that if you go ahead and find them can make all the difference in terms of actually making items profitable. So you actually want stuff to be complicated, right? Because the cool thing is that if you're tracking these different coupons, you can memorize them or track them on a spreadsheet over time and really easily be able to take advantage of that stuff as the opportunities present itself. So for example, we can see on Shop WSS right now, we can get an additional 20%. So that takes these Giannis shoes from 60 down to actually 48, and they retail at 85. So we can pay 48 plus tax, and their original retail price is 85. Over on Amazon, we can see the price is $95. Now at that original price of 60, we can see that is only a 20% return on investment. However, if we multiply by 0.8, aka take off 20%, now that item becomes a $24 profit and a 50% return on investment. Now, I don't have sales tax currently factored in here. So we would, depending on your state, you would have some additional percentage in there unless you're in one of the sales tax free states. You definitely do want to add in your sales tax to the SellerAmp backend. However, we can see here, low competition, right? So we can see 10K rank, good profit, and then we just need to verify via the Keepa chart that this item has been here over time. And the cool thing is that we can see that there's only 13 sellers on this and 6 of them are FBM, which means this is an FBM friendly product. And we can see for about the past week, the price has been well up in the 90 range, and it was previously in the 85 range right here, and the competition's plummeting. We can see in November, there were 30 sellers. Now there's only like 10 to 13. Right. And so the cool thing is something like this, it's a little bit more of a temporary market because of that recent price spike. But if I were going to buy this, I would test order a couple units and list them FBM. This weighs about 2 pounds. It's going to ship around like 10, 11 bucks right here. So it's a pretty similar ROI. We can see right in the 46% range, and there's good cash back on WSS. They have a rewards program too. So that's not a bad product in that we know that this sells quick. We know that it's sold quick over time, which we can see on the Keepa, and the competition and price is trending in the right direction. That ensues that there's a good chance that this continues to be profitable in the future. Now, it doesn't make sense to source any of the items you see in this video. I just want to show you guys the analysis process and such, but that's a good winning all-in arbitrage product. And all of these were found using the storefront stalking method. So in this video, you guys see 5 examples of winning products. These are all good examples that you can go ahead and storefront stalk off, which you can see a tutorial on in our other videos in terms of opening up the competition and taking a look at what they're selling. This next item gets into the beauty niche right here. This is on the Glossier website. So Glossier specifically, we can see we can pick up a 3-pack of these balm.com products in whatever color we want for 36 bucks on sale in bulk discount. The key is that we also have a 15% code that pops up on this website that we just put in our information. They give us a 15% code. So our competition sees 36 for a 3-pack, right? But what we see is 36 times 0.85 right here divided by 3 because it's individuals right here. So now at a $10 buy cost into 25, that leaves about $8 profit, and this item's incredibly light, so it's very efficient to FBM. Now, there's no sales rank on this product, which would scare away a lot of sellers. However, if we go down to the Keepa, we can see this is a pretty new listing. It's only been around a little while here, and we can see that there is oscillation in the competition. Now, the offer count is going up a little bit over this year so far, the past 2 weeks, but we can see the price hasn't gone down that much, and we have a very high ROI here. So this is an example of how we can use a coupon to make an item profitable, even in a 3-pack selling as individuals, which is something I see a lot of sellers do in the beauty niche specifically. And that coupon is the only thing that makes this stuff work. Product number 3 here is in beauty as well. We can see a $20 cost per unit right here for these rare beauty items. Right here, the cool thing is there's also a 10% code that pops up. If you're seeing email sign-up coupons, you can set up what's called a catch-all email. That's catch, ALL. using what's called Namecheap to get that so you can loop it again and again. So we're really paying 18 bucks plus tax a unit here. Now, we can see at an 18 cost right here, that's not incredibly profitable. It's about $6 profit and a 30% ROI pre-sales tax. However, this is an incredibly small and light product, which is going to make it very efficient to either FBA or FBM right here. And take a look at the FBM calculator right here. We can plug in about $4 for shipping, and we can see this is actually a little bit better to FBA compared to FBM. Right here, we can see $4 is a good estimate for something that weighs 1 ounce. Right there, which is pretty cool. So nice and easy, 14K rank. We know this has good velocity. We can take a look at the Keepa and see that it's been up there for right in the 32 range for, a good bit of the last good bit here, 45 days there, a month, or pretty much a month right there. Dropped down a little bit right there. But the cool thing is this actually has a lot less offers than it did during December, and the price is a lot higher right here as well. Keeping going with the beauty niche right here, this Merle Norman item is $22, and we can see another example of just these beauty brands having pop-up coupons. There's a 15% that we can use again and again, just using that catch-all, right? So, and if you're ever running into text sign-up issues like text phone number sign-ups, you can use what's called text now to loop that. So 22 right here. At 22, we take off 15%. Right there, we're paying about 19 bucks. It's currently flipping for 40. That's about $12 profit and a 60% return on investment. And then we want to verify from the Keepa chart right here that that price has been stable for a while. We can see since December 28th, it dipped down a little bit down to the 35 range, which is still fine at that buy cost. Take a look at right here. Another example, FBM friendly. For the most part, probably, and very, very light too, so very efficient to FBM as well. So loving these, beauty flips, and I think it makes sense for you guys watching this, spend some time storefront stock, because you already know the coupons these different websites have, and then it's just putting 2 and 2 together in terms of finding out it's profitably actually here. But the coupons make all this stuff work. We can see right there, boom, 15%. Really simplifies the process and such. Right here too. So ASOS is a website I actually buy from a lot in my own Amazon business. We can see these hats are right here for 14. We can take off 20% as well. Nice additional coupon code that does not require sign up. It's just an evergreen coupon we can use again and again. 14.3 right here. 14.3, and then we take off 20% right there. So it's really about $11 into 34. I assume I don't have FBM shipping factored in. Yeah, I do. Wow. Okay, so the ROI is actually really, really high on this. That's awesome. Cool. So we're ending it with a banger here, and we can see it says buy box 34. It's really 29 right there, so it's a little bit lower, although it might be. Yeah, okay, it's popping up a little bit right there. Taking a look at the Keepa. So we can see the offer count's up a little bit on this product. However, we have a ton of history of profitability. Basically, every day the past 90 days, we've been profitable on this item, which is very, very bullish right there in terms of the performance of this product over time. So this is, totally an example of what a winning product looks like. And all of this stuff was found just using the sourcing methods you guys see us talk about on our channel here, right? We want to identify quick selling listings, figure out what websites carry those products, and then figure out what discounts we can get on those websites to make those items profitable. So what I'd recommend doing if I were you guys watching this video is create a spreadsheet and write down all the coupons we talked about. A lot of them just pop up on the website. ASOS, it was showing right here. Merle Norman, it's down here at the bottom. And I promise this is the key to making online arbitrage work, is identifying and utilizing the different discounts that are available on these different websites. Now, if you guys have any questions, please let us know down below in the description. And thanks for watching this video, SellerAmp Nation. We'll see you guys in the next one.